All right, so I'm excited because I heard you guys during sound check. They were rocking. So give it up for Angel City.
Thank you. Our first song is Sledgehammer by Peter Gabriel. You can have a steam train if you just lay down your tracks. You can have an aeroplane flying if you bring your blue skies back. All you do is call me. I'll be anything you need. You can have a Big Dipper going up and down around the bends. You can have a bumper car bumping. This amusement never ends. I wanna be your sledgehammer. Why don't you call my name? Your sledgehammer. This will be my testimony. Sledge, sledge. Show me around your fruit cage, 'cause I will be your honeybee. Open up your fruit cage, where the fruit is as sweet as can be. I wanna be your sledgehammer. Why don't you call my name? Your sledgehammer. This will be my testimony. Your sledgehammer. I will call my name, baby. Sledge, your sledgehammer now. This will be my testimony. Sledge. Ooh, yeah, kick the habit now. Well, I shed my skin. This is the new stuff. I'll go dancing in. Show for me, yeah, and I will show for you. Show for me, yeah, and I will show for you. Kick the habit now. Well, I shed my skin. This is the new stuff. All right, I'll go dancing in, dancing in. Thank you.